Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona Skywriter on the bench, and it's got this outgassing, or it kind of looks like overspray, but I don't think it's overspray. Although that's what the customer thought it was. We're gonna clean it. I think it's off-gassing. It's been sealed up for a long time in a case, so I already got it all apart and out of the case. It's a very simple job on these little Skywriters, but here's what we're gonna do to the keyboard today. It's a standard kind of procedure that I use. We get the camera where I want it, machine where I want it. Okay, just like that. So first thing we're gonna do is cover some stuff up here. So I'm just gonna cover this part of the body right there. That might be enough. And then I'm gonna put something in here to hold the keys all down, the basket down tight, so it doesn't come up on me. Looking for another rag here. All right, we'll use that one so we get it nice and tight. Okay. So then the procedure is as follows. So we're going to use WD-40. I'm just going to spray this down real quick. Look at that, it disappeared already. Is that magic? What is that? Now we're going to use some soap. And we're going to use a brush. That's when the hold the basket comes into play. We do an aggressive brush, and including the sides. Like that. Clean rag. Well, let's clean some of this stuff up on here. Then a clean rag is maybe just a little soap. Very small amount of, just enough to moisten this, so it absorbs. There we go. It's just a rub-a-dub-dub time. Try to get most of the surfaces, including the sides, if possible. So it's just some, well, just some time and labor and meticulous cleaning. These are a little tighter up here, but get through there. And then I'm going to just air blow out the rest of that mess in there. Alright, so this should be nice and shiny. And it's looking pretty good. Even down the sides. So that's all it is. Looks worse than it was. I mean, it looks worse than it is. Alright. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.